Welcome to the world of intermittent fasting, a lifestyle that's changing the way people think about food and health. You may have heard about it from friends, seen it trending online, or read about its benefits in magazines. But what is intermittent fasting, and why is it gaining so much attention? Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting is all about when you eat. It's a simple shift in your daily routine that can have a big impact. Instead of grazing or snacking throughout the day, you set specific windows for eating and give your body regular breaks from digestion. This approach can help your body reset and recharge. Our ancestors naturally fasted between meals, often going hours or even days without food. Our bodies evolved to handle these periods, making fasting a natural part of human history. Intermittent fasting simply means cycling between times when you eat and times when you don't. There are many ways to do it, from daily time-restricted eating to longer fasts. During fasting periods, you skip food but can still enjoy water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. These drinks help keep you hydrated and can make fasting easier. There's no need to count calories or buy special products. The focus is on timing, not restriction, which makes it refreshingly simple compared to other diets. This simplicity is why so many people find intermittent fasting sustainable for the long term. It fits into busy lives and doesn't require complicated rules. Many people report feeling more energetic, sleeping better, and finding it easier to manage their weight naturally. It's not just about losing pounds, it's about feeling your best. In this guide, we'll break down the science behind intermittent fasting, explore different methods you can try, and share practical tips to help you succeed. You'll discover how to get started, what to expect in the first days and weeks, and how to make fasting work for your unique lifestyle and goals. So, are you ready to discover a new, powerful way of eating that could transform your health and daily life? Let's get started on this journey together. What really happens inside your body when you decide to fast? It's a fascinating process that goes far beyond just skipping a meal or two. Let's break down the science in a way that's easy to understand. When you eat, your body's first priority is to use the sugar or glucose from your food for immediate energy. Any extra glucose that isn't needed right away gets stored as glycogen in your liver and muscles, almost like a backup battery for later use. This is your body's way of making sure you always have energy on hand, even between meals. If you're constantly eating or snacking throughout the day, your body keeps topping up these glycogen stores. It never really gets a chance to use up what's already there, so the backup battery stays full, and your body rarely needs to tap into other energy sources. But when you fast, meaning you go for an extended period without eating, your body starts to use up the sugar in your blood first. Once that's gone, it turns to the glycogen stored in your liver and muscles to keep you going. After about 10 to 12 hours without food, those glycogen stores start to run low. That's when your body makes a crucial switch. It begins to burn stored fat for fuel instead. This is called the metabolic switch, and it's a key reason why fasting can be so effective for weight loss. As your body shifts into fat-burning mode, you may notice changes like increased energy or even a lighter feeling. Over time, this process can help you shed excess weight, especially stubborn fat that's hard to lose with regular dieting. Another important change is that your insulin levels drop during fasting. Lower insulin makes it much easier for your body to access and burn stored fat, since high insulin tends to keep fat locked away. Unlike many traditional diets that just restrict calories, fasting actually helps your body unlock its fat reserves. This means you're not just losing water weight, you're burning real fat. But the benefits of fasting go even deeper. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy, where your cells start to clean themselves up. They break down and remove damaged parts, old proteins, and even harmful debris that can build up over time. Think of autophagy as your body's natural recycling program, a way to take out the cellular trash and repair itself from the inside out. This process is linked to better health, longevity, and even protection against certain diseases. These powerful processes can help protect you from illness, improve how your cells function, and keep your body running smoothly as you age. So, giving your body regular breaks from eating isn't just about losing weight. It's about supporting deep cellular health and overall well-being. Fasting gives your body a chance to reset, repair, and truly rejuvenate itself, helping you feel more energetic and refreshed. That's the real magic behind intermittent fasting. It's a simple, natural way to unlock your body's full potential. Now let's explore the different fasting methods and find the one that fits your lifestyle and goals best. Intermittent fasting is incredibly flexible. There's truly no one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works for your unique lifestyle, preferences, and daily routine. Whether you're an early riser, a night owl, or someone with a busy family schedule, there's a fasting method that can fit seamlessly into your life. The most popular method is the 16-8, fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. This approach is favored by many because it's simple to remember and easy to implement, even for beginners. For example, you might finish dinner at 8 p.m., then eat your first meal at noon the next day. This way, you're essentially skipping breakfast and consolidating your meals into the afternoon and evening. Many people find this method surprisingly easy since a large portion of the fasting period happens while you're asleep. You wake up already partway through your fast, making it less challenging than you might expect. You can also adjust your eating window to fit your daily routine, maybe 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 1 p.m. to 9 p.m., whatever works best for your work, family, or social commitments. The key is to make it sustainable for you. Another popular option is the 5-2 method. Eat normally 5 days a week, and on 2 non-consecutive days, limit your calories to 500, 600. These lower-calorie days can be scheduled around your week, giving you flexibility and control. This method allows you to plan around social events, family gatherings, or special occasions, so you don't have to miss out on important moments. For those seeking a bigger challenge, alternate day fasting means fasting every other day, with little or no food on fasting days. This approach can be more intense, but some people find it effective for reaching their goals quickly. It can deliver faster results, but it's definitely harder to maintain and may not be suitable for everyone, especially if you have a demanding schedule or specific health needs. If you're new to fasting, start slow. Try the 16-8 method first and see how your body responds. You can always experiment with other methods as you become more comfortable. The most important thing is consistency and listening to your body's signals. If you feel fatigued or unwell, adjust your plan. Fasting should support your well-being, not make life harder. Choose a method that fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. Your fasting plan should adapt to you, not force you to change your life to fit it. There's no rush. Take your time, experiment, and find your own rhythm. Progress is personal, and it's okay to move at your own pace. Remember, the best fasting plan is the one you can stick with for the long term. Consistency beats perfection every time. Let's look at the benefits beyond weight loss, like improved energy, better focus, and a sense of accomplishment. You're in control of your journey, and every step you take is a step toward a healthier, more empowered you. Intermittent fasting isn't just about losing weight. It improves insulin sensitivity, lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. Stable blood sugar means more consistent energy and fewer crashes. Fasting can lower bad cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and decrease inflammation. Great for your heart. Many people also report sharper focus and mental clarity thanks to ketones produced during fasting. Some research suggests fasting may even support brain health and protect against age-related decline. The benefits go far beyond the scale. It's a holistic upgrade for your body and mind. Starting intermittent fasting is easier than you think. Begin by extending your overnight fast. Finish dinner at 8 p.m., then delay breakfast by an hour. Gradually increase your fasting window each week until you reach your goal, like 16-8. This gentle approach helps your body adapt without stress. Stay hydrated. Drink water, black coffee, or plain tea during your fast. These drinks can curb hunger and make fasting easier. Listen to your body. Some hunger is normal at first, but if you feel unwell, break your fast. There's no shame in adjusting your schedule. The goal is to build a habit you can maintain long-term. Be patient. Consistency matters more than perfection. Your journey is unique, so find what works for you. Start slow, stay flexible, and celebrate your progress. Fasting is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's talk about what to eat when you break your fast. What you eat during your eating window matters. Focus on whole, nutritious foods. Think lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber. Start with a balanced meal. For example, grilled chicken with veggies and avocado, or salmon with quinoa and broccoli. Protein helps maintain muscle and keeps you full. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil provide lasting energy. Fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains aids digestion and satiety. Avoid using your eating window as an excuse for junk food. Nourish your body to make fasting easier and more effective. Eating well supports your health and makes fasting sustainable. Choose colorful, nutrient-dense foods for the best results. Good nutrition is the foundation of successful intermittent fasting. Hunger is normal at first, but it gets easier. Drink water or tea and keep busy to distract yourself. Schedule fasting during busy times, work, errands, or hobbies. Light activity like a walk can help curb hunger. Social events can be tricky, but fasting is flexible. Adjust your eating window for special occasions or simply enjoy the company without eating. One off-schedule day won't ruin your progress. Decide your plan ahead of time to avoid pressure. Most people will understand if you skip a meal. Consistency over time matters more than perfection. Stay flexible, life happens. Fasting should fit your life, not control it. Let's talk about who should be cautious with fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Talk to your doctor before starting, especially if you have medical conditions or take medication. Fasting isn't recommended for those underweight, with a history of eating disorders, pregnant or breastfeeding women, or growing teens. People with diabetes or low blood pressure should be especially careful and consult their doctor. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell, stop fasting. Fasting should make you feel better, not worse. Your health comes first. Always prioritize your well-being. You're ready to start your intermittent fasting journey. Remember, it's a flexible tool to help you feel your best. Start slow, be patient, and focus on nourishing foods. Manage challenges with planning and flexibility. Consistency is more important than perfection. This is about building a better relationship with food and your body. Notice the positive changes in your energy, focus, and well-being. Every step forward is progress. Embrace the process and enjoy the rewards. Your journey to better health starts now.